Hi, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday we were set a challenge from one of our YouTubers, Kevin, Scotsman Tenerife, to find the cheapest beer, which we managed to find in Old Town. So today I thought, as we're based in Newtown, let's go and see what the cheapest pint of beer we can go and find. So let's see, Wagwan, you know the vibe. So we're just starting from, if you've been to Newtown, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. But if you've been to Albufeira, Newtown, I'm starting at the end where we've got Wild & Co. And you've got the beach just heading down that way. So you've got your frozen cocktails there, double shot plus the mixer for €5. Vodka, gin, rum and tequila. And I'll just show you a little bit of the flavour they put in here. So if you like your slush puppies, this is the place to go. Give you a little... Right, anyway, we're on a mission, so let's have a look. So again, we're looking for the cheapest pint of euro that we can find on Newtown Street. Bearing in mind it's daytime, so this is probably more likely going to be a happy hour price, but if I can find one that's going to be for the whole day, then you guys know what you've got coming in. Got a little ice cream place here. There we go. So we're just in the main roundabout. This place, I believe, is new, the Tequila Loca Terrace. It wasn't open, unfortunately, for the time we're here, but it probably will be open next week. Everything's sort of opening early April, which is what we're in now. So that's a new Mexican restaurant. So a few changes from last year. Don't forget to check out the channel, Wagwan Tours, for all of our videos from last year.
I'm not talk about liberalism. I'm not talk about... Cause I talk about yesterday, today and tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reggae man, are you reggae man? Reggae man, are you reggae man? Reggae man, are you reggae man?
Got Coopers. We did our soccer festival last year. That was October. Do check the videos out for that. They're back this year. It's our soccer festival. Drop below if you're coming or if you've been. Matt's Bar again. Got footage of that. That's really good in the evenings. Again, always like really busy. It's closed during the day at the moment. We are here in April. But let's not stop distracting us from finding the cheapest pint that we can find. So we've got this sports bar coming up here. Let's have a look at the happy hour prices. Has our mission come to an end? So we're at Reno. So €3.50 no. We could find that cheaper if you watch the video. Newtown yesterday we set a challenge from Kevin, one of our YouTuber friends, Scotsman Tenerife. And we managed to find one for €2.50 in Newtown. So we got the...
I'm not talk about... I'm not talk about black or white.
Let's keep going. Mambo. This one hasn't been open since we've been here, so hopefully that'll be opening soon. Oh no, sorry, opened last night. So yeah, watch our footage and it was open yesterday evening.
I talk about yesterday, today and tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A reggae man. Are you reggae man?
So you got the Rick's Bar just across the road. That one's always busy. And let's see if we can see a pint price from here. So full breakfast, $6.95, not bad. Cocktails, €7. Let's keep going. Remember, we're looking for that cheapest price. Three little tuk-tuks here that can take you to the beach all over. There's also the little bus, which takes you where you need to go as well. So this is Universe Club. So this is actually a new name. So it's owned by the same people, but they've mixed it up and changed the inside and the name of the bar. So that was P Club and it's now Universe. That's going to be new for 2025. So if you haven't been here this year, I would say check it out. And then last night, again, check out the footage and you can see if it's your cup of tea. So you got the awesome shop just on the corner, which is where we get our little fragrances and give you little souvenirs and presents for people back home. Nothing much has really changed up this side. Liberato's club is still there, hasn't been open since we've been here. The same with the little bars and restaurants just down there. Unfortunately, none of those are open. We've come the sort of beginning part of the season, so this is just to show you guys what's open, what you can expect if you are coming here with your friends, weather to what's available, prices, and all the necessaries. So got a nice restaurant, bar just across there, Freddy's. So we've got a Symphony Lounge, this is just where we're staying. And you've got a pint of Sega's, €2, still cheap, but it's not cheap enough. You can also get, I'll show you guys the prices. They do live music and they also do karaoke in here as well.
A way of life, jolly the way of your life, to carry on.
Right, so I believe we have found it, mission over. So in here you can get a large beer for €1.50, which I believe is the cheapest we have found all day. And you can also till basically 12 o'clock, 23.59, very precise. You can get your meal and a drink. So just get you guys a little insight of where we are. We're just on the main roundabout. Products Road, Pacific Bar and Ramos Restaurant. The cheapest kind on Newtown, €1.50 happy hour.